Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reset Goodbudget. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To reset your Goodbudget account and start fresh, what you can do is clear all your data. That means resetting transactions and balances. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Goodbudget and then tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the homepage of the Goodbudget, simply log in to your Goodbudget account, and then once logged in, what you need to do is select household name on the top right. Then once you're inside there, among the options you'll be seeing an option that says clear all my data from the menu. Simply select that and then click the where yes please delete all my data button, and then once done, all you gotta do is simply tap on confirm to begin the reset progress. This cannot be undone and your transaction history will be deleted, but your envelopes and accounts remain for a fresh start. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.